But yeah, she cute. Y'all see how she acting? Hey y'all, it's Kate, of course. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be on a wig sent from Klaiyihair. Like always, just in case you guys are interested, be sure to check my description box down below. This is what the packaging looks like. And I do believe this is let me just open it. So inside the box you have some goodies, of course. So they sent over a wig cap. They also sent over a edge brush, and they sent over a elastic headband. So this is a highlighted wig, yeah. It does come with the tape, just in case you want to tape it instead of gluing or using adhesive. You can use the tape. So like I said, this is Brazilian hair. It's also a 7x5 lace, and this is the Bye Bye Knots lace wig. I have it in 24 inches. So already I can tell I'm going to love this wig. So this is what the hairline and the parting space looks like. You okay? Mm-hmm. So here is a close-up of the hairline, and this hairline is really nice. It eats down. Then we have the lace. Again, this is a 7x5. So the construction, we do have a adjustable and removable elastic band in here. We also have a comb in the back, no combs in the front. And we have an adjustable strap and a little grippy piece, which I can appreciate, so it can fit more secure on your head. And it also has the drawstring for a better secure fit, and you can adjust this to your head size. So that's what it looks like. So yeah, we just gonna try this bad boy on. This wig is so pretty, y'all, and the way it feels. So it's like a light Yaki texture, and I mean down to the density, everything. The density on the lace is really nice. The color, nice. And it feels so amazing, y'all. And it's like, because it's a Yaki texture, like it's not too thick, not too thin. It's just right, y'all. I'm gonna take some of my bronzing powder. I'm gonna take some of this and put it on my lace so it can blend in. I actually do feel like I want to take this down a little bit. I'm gonna use this. The spray don't work, so I'll be taking it out like this and, you know, adding it. So that's what I'm gonna do. No, you know what, y'all? I'm actually gonna use this and see if that works out. So I feel like none of my bottles want to spray. That's crazy to me. Like, what's going on, y'all? this is what the hair looks like straightened. And yeah, this is the hairline. Y'all, it looks so... Where my comb at? I just had it that fast. Where is the comb? Yeah, she is really cute. Now I'm gonna add some curls to it just to see what it looks like. Alright, and this is what it looks like. Curl is definitely a natural density. Like this is really natural. I like the way I curled this side. This side is, I probably will have to go back in and curl it again, but y'all get the point. So that's what she's looking like. Real cute, real easy. The quality of this hair is really, really nice. Like real nice, y'all. It's laying so super flat. But yeah, you can part it as a side part. Let me show y'all. That's what it would look like as a side part. But yeah, she cute. Y'all see how she acting? And even if you wanted to clip her back, still very much cute. Alright y'all, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested, be sure to check my links in my description box for this wig. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.